Nifty's rebound sets the stage for a potential breakout, with focus shifting to the upcoming Jackson Hole Symposium and the possibility of a Fed rate cut. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a higher start, indicating Nifty is on track for its third win in a row. The last 2 days' rebound does suggest some room to run, and that's in line with our call of the day, which suggests the technical landscape and the trading theme tells us one thing. Technically, Nifty is likely to head in one direction from here. And that's higher, and probably lot higher with an intermonth perspective. The line in the sand is at Nifty to 4205. That said, much depends on the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. So, all bullish eyes now turn to Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, where the Fed Chair Powell will deliver a highly anticipated speech on Friday, 23rd August. The street believes Powell is likely to set the stage set for first rate cut in years. The positive catalysts, fear of slowdown and fear of inflation in the US, is off the front pages. Digging deeper, investors actually anticipate bigger half-point interest rate cut in September rather than a quarter-point cut. Hopefully, this 6th September unemployment report gets the Fed to cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2667 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1803 crores. Nifty sentiments continues to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating solid rebound play. FANDO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,900 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 14.31 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.33 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.77. Nifty outlook, up again for benchmark Nifty. Nifty bulls will continue to get inspired by encouraging global cues. Nifty, CMP to 4573. Support, 24,400 to 24,300. Resistance, 24,650 to 24,750. Range, 24,400 to 24,750. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50368. Support, 50,200 to 50,000. Resistance, 50,700 to 50,900. Range, 50,200 to 50,900. Bias, sideways to bullish. The biggest positive takeaway from yesterday's positive session was that Nifty held above its 21 DMA, and most importantly, bulls aim to erase early August market downfall. Interestingly, the gains are despite FII's pessimistic view. Please note, FIIs are on the sell side and have sold shares worth 30,000 crores rupees since the union budget. Understandably, much of the strength and rally at Dalal Street is on backdrop of steady SIP flows by retail investors. DIIs so far in August have net bought stocks worth 31,450 crore rupees. DIIs have reportedly invested 2.92 lakh rupees crore in Indian equities thus far.